Come on, Andrew. There you go. Roll, buddy, roll. Roly-poly. Uh-oh, he found something on the carpet. Aren't you getting tired yet? You've been rolling for like 15 minutes now straight. He's getting a little tired. You can tell he's getting slower and slower with every roll. Andrew. Hey, big boy. Hi. And there he goes again. He literally just rolled all the way across. And he's still going. You're doing. Say hi to the camera.
Thank you to all my fans for watching.
And we're